So, welcome to another video everyone, or welcome to the channel if it's the first time watching one of my videos. As you can see, bonnet's up on the BMW, what we're doing today. Now, I think it's a common problem of BMWs of this era that this happens. So just looking at the wheel arch, oh look, it's all crusty. You can see it all there, it's all bubbled. It's kind of got worse over the time that I've had it. It was a bit bubbly when I first got it, but as you can see, it's now a bit of an eyesore. So the plan then, so I thought to myself, I'll buy myself a wing second hand and I'll get it painted, but luckily I stumbled across a wing in colour. So my car is Sydney blue from factory, and that's the colour of the wing. It's probably does look like a pretty good match, to be honest. So that's what we're going to have a go at doing today. We're going to have a go at changing the wing over. Never done anything like this before, so it might go a bit wrong or it might go right first time, but I just want to show you this, and I think this is why BMWs of this era get this rust. So just looking on the inside of the new wing, you can see there's this lip. I think this is where the wheel arching will sit. So my thoughts are that that'll get full of dirt and grime and mud, and effectively the wing would rust from the outside, from the inside to the out. I might be wrong, I might be right, who knows, but we've got a nice new wing. It's in colour, so I don't have to worry about getting it painted. And then once we've got the wing on, I'm going to nip to the local BMW garage and I'm going to book the car in for its yearly MOT. So yeah, I've got the bonnet up, we're going to make a start. So just looking at the wing, there's a bolt here, there's one here, that looks like it'll just come out of the way. There's a bolt there and there's a bolt there, and then I weren't sure if I was going to have to take my bumper off. So looking at the new wing, this is where my headlight will sit, along this edge here, and then this is where the bumper is going to be. So there's going to be these clips where there's some screw holes which are going to be just behind the bumper here. So I'm thinking possibly maybe the bumper might not have to come off. Certainly the headlight's going to have to come off. Certainly the headlight will have to come off. Maybe that's why I'll have to set the bumper off to get the headlight off, but like I said, I've never done this before, I don't know. First thing I'm going to do is going to take them top bolts off and give myself a little bit of breathing room so I can kind of see behind the wheel arch and see what's attached on the inner side of the wing. So yeah, we'll make a start. Bit of a jump forward then. I've took the top bolts off. I've also took these ones off. They're just on the inside of the door. I had to use an extender bar and another extender bar and some converters to get it in, but I've got them both off. Decided to do is, as you can see, is I've took the wheel off. Decided to take the wheel off, get on the inside of the wheel arch. You see, I've took headlights now loose. To get at these bolts that I think are behind here. Once I've got them off, I reckon I'm pretty much done. I don't think I'm going to have to take the bumper fully off. I might have to just prise it away a little bit to get it off, but I reckon we're onto a winner here. I think we're doing all right. So hopefully we'll have this wrapped up soon. Right, so a bit of an update. Bit of an update where we're up to. Stripped the wheel arch down. You can see I've got a bit of the wing coming off now. I've stripped the wheel arch down on this bit. I've popped the side skirt off and took the bolts that were holding it on there. Now the problem that I've now got is just in here. This is the washer bottle, I guess, and it appears to be. Let me just come on this way. Just I don't know if you can see here. Just at the end of my finger, there is a bolt that's clearly bolted from the other side. That's behind that washer bottle. I am making good progress. Like I said, I've not had to take the bumper off, which I'm surprised at. I don't know how easy it is to to take this washer bottle off. That's what I'm going to try and tackle next, get this washer bottle out of the way, and then hopefully we'll have the wing off. Only real problems that I've kind of encountered so far are just like rusty bolts. It is an old car, it's 15 in it, so just like rusty bolts really. But you know, I think I've got two. Looking at the bottom of this one, I reckon there's a bolt there and there's a bolt there, and then I reckon that's the wing free. So that is where we're up to. Try and have a look at this washer bottle, see if we can get it off, get the washer bottle off, get these two bolts off, and the wing should be off hopefully. So catch up with you in a minute. So as you can see behind me, got the wing off. There's only one bolt holding the water bottle on, just on the inside of the wheel arch. It's just there on that hinge, and then it's just on the inside of the wheel arch, and then you kind of have to manipulate it. We'll say manipulate it out. Water went everywhere because it was full. Should have emptied it. Got them two tricky bolts, and I've now got the wing off. So going to swap the indicator over, and we're going to put the new one on. I'm just going to show you the damage first though of the old one that we took off. I'm going to show you kind of the extent of the rust. So this is it then. You can see the extent of the rust, and like I explained, I think my theory is correct, because that inner lip that's on the inside of the wheel arch is completely gone. It's completely rusted and snapped and corroded away, and there's actually a rust bubble forming here as well down at the bottom. So I think it is. I'll just show you on the new one again. That lip there that comes round, I think one of the problems is that this fills up with mud and gunk and dirt, and that effectively then rusts the wing from the inside out. But hey, gonna get the indicator off now, put it on the new one, and start putting the car back together. Right, so where are we up to? Putting it back together is a lot harder than taking it apart, so I'm trying to be more careful not to damage the new wing. So the two bolts in the bottom, which are just behind here, they're now on. The water bottle is back in place, but I'll just show you this. I've connected it there, but peel this wheel arch away, you can see that clip there, just that clip there. Just on the other side of that, there's a bolt that I need to get in. Once I've done that, I can then attach the plastic bracket. This plastic bracket, this sits on the bottom of the wing, and the side skirt slots into this section here. Once I've done that, I can reattach it to the front bumper just here, bolt it back in. Them two on the inside of the door, bolt all the way in the arch on, wheel back on, lower the car down. We are getting there. It is a lot more effort than what I thought, but on the upside I haven't had to take the bumper off of it, which is a positive. I've just had to take all the wheel arch liner out. But hey, I'll have a nice wing that's not rusty. So yeah, let's crack on. So that's it then. Wheels back on, car's back on the ground. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, welcome to the channel. Please go and check out my other videos. Remember to follow me on Instagram, it's @FTLockUK. I'll put a link in the description. I don't think it's a bad colour match. Car does need a good wash, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. Thank you very much for watching. Nice one.